right here, you know.
What?
Hey, we're okay, you know. Vachik's long gone. Don't think about him. I'm here.
I miss Vachik. I'm so cold and lonely.
No, I can warm you up, girlie. You know, I'm here, you know.
That feels good.
Yeah, that's nice. That's better. Oh, yeah, Liana, yeah.
But I just miss him.
Yeah, but, well, you like to kiss, don't you?
Yeah, I like to kiss with Vachik.
Well, you like to kiss me better, you know. I'm a great kisser.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, girlie? You know, I would want to kiss you. You know, Vachik never did he?
No, I guess not. You like to kiss me?
Yeah, I would.
Really?
You know, I'm a real man.
But I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, Liana, yeah.
Oh, Bob. Oh, that feels
yeah.
good.
Oh, yeah, Liana.
yeah.
Oh, yo.
Oh,
Oh,
Bob.
yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Bob.
Yeah.
Oh, Bob. Oh, Bob. Oh, Bob? Bob? What? Are you sleeping?
No, man.
Okay. I'll just go to sleep then. Okay. Who is that? Who is saying my name? Is that you, Vachik? Where are you? Oh, Vachik! How can you be here?
I returned from the dead.
How can you be here when you're
I'm
dead?
here to hunt you
Oh
forever.
no! Why?
You cheated on me.
But how do you
How
know?
could you do that?
Oh, I'm sorry, Vachik. I'm sorry. Don't hurt
You'll
me.
never do that again.
No, I
I'm
promise.
sure for that.
Don't hurt me.
I'm gonna hunt you forever.
Oh, that was a nice night, huh? Up for another round, girlie? Liana? Liana? Man, I hate it when they're gone. Well, no. I'll go look for her. Maybe she'll just be, I don't know, making breakfast for me or something. Yeah, that'd be nice, huh? Liana? Oh, guess she's gone. Well, but here's a sandwich from yesterday. And I bet she make him good, man. Yeah, that's nice. You just sit down, Bobby. Yeah, I'll sit down here. That's a nice place. That's a nice spot. Nice tree. I can sit here in the sun. Yeah. It's nice. Yeah, it is a good sandwich. Yeah. I'll get tired now again. I can take a nap while I'm waiting for it. Yeah, I can take a nap. Oh, what was that? I don't know. She'll come back. Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Man, what's happening? Oh my God!
No trace of the explorers were found, only this video. There were footprints of the mysterious animal, which looked almost human. So the question is, was it a beast Or was it a human that killed those people? No one will ever know.